In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a morph transition presentation in Canva. Whether you're prepping for a business pitch or crafting a captivating school project, this technique will help you deliver your message with a professional and polished finish. First, step into the digital realm of Canva by heading over to the Canva website or launching the app on your device. It's readily accessible, so go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Next, it's time to set the stage. Start by creating a new design. Look for the option to create a presentation. This will give you a great foundation to build upon. Feel free to browse through the numerous templates Canva provides if you need a creative spark to get started. Now that you've got your canvas, it's crucial to design your first slide carefully. This slide will serve as the base of your morph transition, so take your time to arrange the elements just the way you envision them. Make sure your text, images, or any other visual components are in the desired positions. Once your first slide looks pristine, you'll want to duplicate it. Look for the duplicate page button, often represented by two overlapping rectangles, and click it. This creates an exact copy of your groundwork, so you don't have to start from scratch. With your duplicate at the ready, it's time to make minor adjustments. Move the elements on this second slide slightly. A little nudge here and a tweak there will establish the motion needed to create a smooth morphing effect. Keep in mind that subtle changes often lead to more seamless transitions. Select the elements you're looking to bring to life through animation. Once highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar and find the option labeled Animate. Click on it, and you'll discover a menu with various animation styles. For this presentation, consider using options like Move, Rise, or Pan. Each of these will provide a smooth motion that is visually appealing and professionally refined. Don't stop there. Enhance the transition between your slides for extra flair. Click on the slide itself, then select the Animate Page option. This allows you to focus on the transition effects between slides. Applying effects like fade or pan ensures that your audience experiences a journey from start to finish, rather than just a series of slides. And there you have it, a beautifully animated presentation using Canva's morph transition techniques. The result should provide an impressive visual narrative, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Feel free to experiment with different element placements and animations to perfect your unique style.